dinner on the go. What are we having?
A creamy pasta with bacon and mushroom and chicken.
Okay.
Something I just throw together. Tonight we've got barbecue chop instead of chicken breast. Just use what we've got.
Nice. That's just a whole cooked chook. What are you going to strip that down, eh?
Yeah, take the skin off. Not so nice in as much as it's nice when it's hot and fresh. Not so nice when it's cold and in a pasta. But see those jelly bits? Flavour. So you want to put that in the pasta.
That again?
Just shred it up and get it ready to go in the pasta.
Have you washed your hands?
Yes, dear.
Can I have the skin?
You can have the skin.
Howdy guys. So we've pulled up today, haven't sort of done a whole lot of filming. We sort of throw this in. We camped at Wellington, New South Wales. Riverside Caravan Park. Nice little park. Good spot. You can see the river down here just behind us. That's our setup. Been raining most of the day. Well, it's sort of holding off a bit at the moment. Shell's gonna a little bit of a cook up tonight. Nothing too amazing, but she's gonna do a nice chicken, bacon, creamy pasta thing, I think. Yeah, anyway, so we'll figure that one out. We've got the awning. This is one little trick we do. We got the Camp Boss 270 Boss Shadow XL. We park that up because we don't carry the NX for the Black Series all the time. Just overnight camps, you don't really need it. So we park the Land Cruiser there beside it and put the awning up. Give ourselves a bit of coverage. You know, it's obviously not going to work in pouring rain. Light little showers, not too bad. In pouring rain, you know, you're going to get the water running down. It's a bit hard to park it right against it because you've got the doorway of the camper there. And you're going to walk out and bang your head on it. Anyway. Yeah. So we got the pots going. What do we got?
Butter.
Bit of butter.
About to add the
We've
bacon.
got shredded chicken, red onion, diced up bacon, mushrooms. Oh look, pasta and beer. The main ingredient. No, that's for me. So what are you chucking in the butter?
Start off with the onion.
So you're going to saute the onion in there.
Yep, cook the onion first. And then put some garlic in after that.
Don't sound really hot, that pot yet.
Well, it's on the lowest setting, on the lowest burner at the moment. My coffee on the go.
How much onion is that? Quarter?
That's half an onion.
Give it to us.
Yeah, might be a little bit left over for lunch tomorrow. I can't cook for 2 people.
Is that? Garlic cook.
Go in the onion.
Oh, you put garlic in there.
That's what I just said.
Oh, did you?
Put some garlic.
Sorry, I've had 2 things to do.
Just gonna wait for this to cook a little bit.
So what, you just saute that off a bit till the onion's soft.
Yep.
Then what?
Onion, garlic, put the garlic off a little bit, put the bacon in, put the bacon up, so it's starting to get some brown to it. Then I'll actually take that out of the pot, out of the pan, and then I'll cook the mushroom up and leave all the brown stuff on the bottom of the pan because that's all flavour.
So still just sauteing that onion off.
Yep. About to add a bit of garlic. Half a teaspoon.
Not that much.
Yep. Good. Want to smell like garlic tomorrow?
I'm not allowed to say that. I think that's got a trademark on it. About that much.
No, we don't use as much garlic as he does.
Keep half a jar in.
No, thank you. I'll let that cook for a little bit.
Just to cook off the bitterness of the garlic.
Yep. Yep, now we're adding the bacon.
How much bacon?
That was 2 large rashers.
And just cook that off
Yep.
till the bacon's nice and brown.
Yep. Flavour.
So you want that caramelised in the bottom of the pot.
Yep. Being a non-stick pot, it probably won't brown too much in the bottom, but we'll see how we go. Stop eating the chicken.
So we got the bacon brown nicely.
See that? Yep.
Yeah, kind of, sort of.
Yep. Adding the mushroom and that little bit of jelly from the chicken.
So that jelly melts, doesn't it?
Yep. I was going to cook the mushroom separately, but too
Sweet.
much messing around.
You just cook that through now till the mushrooms cook.
Yep. And if you can get the mushrooms a little bit nice and brown too, more flavour in the mushrooms when they go toasty brown.
You don't put any more butter in there for the mushrooms?
No, they'll absorb all the fat from the bacon and everything like that, and then eventually.
So they're absorbing that flavour.
Yep. And just let it do its thing and cook down there.
Put the water on for the pasta.
About to add the pasta.
How much?
About that. I don't know. I don't measure anything.
It'll be in our recipe book.
Enough for 2 people, so
Around about that.
about that. Give it a stir so it doesn't stick together.
You got any salt in that water or anything like that? Olive
No,
oil?
I haven't. No. Olive oil is not actually recommended because the olive oil will actually stick to the pasta, and instead of the sauce sticking to the pasta, the olive oil sticks to the pasta and slips off. If that makes sense.
Not really, but okay.
You can see the mushrooms have a little bit of brown on them. So now I'm about to add some cream. It will reduce down. If you reduce it too much, you get a little bit of an oil on top of it. If you want to fix that and it splits, just add a little bit more cream, okay? Or a little bit of hot water from your pasta.
So you can add cream or water.
Yep.
Why the water from the pasta?
Because it's got the starch in it from the pasta, so it brings it back a little bit.
Oh.
A lot of chefs, especially Italian chefs, when they're serving up a pasta, they will put a spoonful of the starch water in their pasta to give that glossy look. I'm no Italian chef, but that's what I've been taught.
Bene. Molto bene.
So now we just let that reduce. You'll know it'll sort of reduce by about a quarter, and you'll notice a difference. You can see the cream is quite runny. It will thicken up. It will coat the back of the spoon properly. So here you can see it's just running off the spoon, dripping off the spoon. You should be able to run your finger through the back of the spoon and it will coat it nicely, and you should be able to see your finger mark in the spoon.
Will it burn you?
Probably.
So you're just cooking the pasta. There's nothing special about that's just cooking pasta. There's nothing
Yep.
special there, right?
No. I'll just show you how, when I was talking about the back of the wooden spoon, see that? You can actually see the thickness in it as well, you see? You can see your finger where it's been. So that's ready to go. Add some salt and pepper, and we'll add our chicken. Just do it to taste. Some people like things a lot saltier.
Pepper.
Same with your pepper.
About a kilo of pepper.
Stir that through, and now your chicken's going in last because it's already cooked. It just needs to be warmed. If you're using fresh chicken, like your chicken breasts, you would cook that before you do the onion and bacon. You'd do that, put it aside.
Warmed and coated in the...
And that's our sauce. Just leave it on low, and we'll just wait for our pasta.
So now you just cook the pasta and mix it.
Yeah, which I think is just about done. And the pasta that I've got, it's good for the sauce that we've got, so it will go up in the tubes.
Can't even see that.
So you'll go up into the tubes and coat the pasta inside. So
Al dente.
beautiful.
Bene. Molto bene.
Now we just drain the pasta and then mix it all together. I'll show you when it's served. Okay, now we're just adding the pasta, and you just want to, I left a little bit of that starchy water in there.
Why?
Gives it the glossiness, as I said.
Glossiness.
Yes. And just a light mix through. Cook it off a little bit. You can see it's gone a little bit runny from the starchy water, so just cook it off just a fraction.
Until the sauce comes back to a nice...
Yeah. Shouldn't take too long. But you don't want to stir it too much, otherwise your pasta's going to break up. As I said, you can see with this pasta, it's going to pick up the sauce in your little, the little
tubes.
elbows.
Yeah.
So it might look like there's not much sauce there, but it's picked it up and it's gone inside the... And that is ready. If we had Parmesan cheese, I would sprinkle Parmesan cheese over the top, but I don't have any.
Why don't we have Parmesan cheese?
I don't know. We forgot to buy it.
You're in charge of shopping, that's your fault. I got beer.
You got the most important thing, right?
And couldn't get back in the gate because the code doesn't work and had to walk around bloody 42 blocks carrying a carton of beer to get back in the camping area.
Okay, that's all done. So now we're serving it up. Just pour it onto the plates. There we go. All done.
Wouldn't you normally have that in a bowl?
Yeah.
Can I put pepper on top?
You can put more pepper on top.
And that's us. Alright. We're not going to film us eating it. We might a bit. Is that mine?
Yep.
I'm going to try a bit.
You want more pepper?
Is it hot?
Yes, it's hot.
Yep. That'll do me. Warm food on a cold night. With a cold beer. Maybe a port later. Righto. Cheers guys.